I'm with Supriya Sule. Ma'am, so you are winning in Baramati. It was a tough contest. This is Pawar versus Pawar that was playing out in Baramati. What do you attribute your victory to?
No, it wasn't. For me, it was UPA versus NDA.
But wasn't it a tough contest because it was a family sort of dispute or
Not at all. It
a
was-
fight among
First of
family
all-
members?
First of all, there is no dispute in our family. One, our family has nothing to do with our politics and ideology, and it was a clear fight between UPA and NDA and the wrong policies of the central government.
And ma'am, this time, of course, Mahayuti has not won. MVA is winning. Obviously, all this happening after the political landscape changed. So what do you have to talk about the fact that, what do you have to say about the MVA victory in itself? The fact that post the split, although BJP claims that they became NDA strengthened, however, yeah, what is on ground is different.
Corruption, price rise, and unemployment are huge challenges. And the farmers' distress is huge in India. And clearly the government was completely insensitive to it.
So do you think this vindicates you in a sense, the fact that Ajit Pawar left NCP and went to the other
This
camp?
has nothing to do with it. This is purely misuse of power, hurting the poor and the hard-working people of this country. It's not personal at all. These are wrong policies of the government.
Certainly, but this also happening post Sena and NCP split. So therefore, what do you have to tell perhaps Ajit Pawar or Eknath Shinde for that?
I don't tell anybody anything who's older than me. By nature, I'm like that. But I have only gratitude in my mind to all our voters and all our allies and the strength of our party workers. So I would give this entire credit to the party workers and the voters who have stood by honesty and pride.
Anything you'd like to tell the NDA, the perhaps BJP leaders in Maharashtra?
Why would I want to give advice to anybody?